Haro ya kuhitana Njohi ngananie mwena wa Nyeri nĩ nyitĩte thing'a thutha wa borithi kuhithukio kĩganda kĩa Njohi mwena wa Skuta. County Commissioner wa Nyeri Mohamed Bareni orotete cibũ munini wake no tongoria wa nyumba 10 a mwena ũyũ akiuga makoretwo makirĩte ki.
If you wake up from this area, this is your area of operation and you are a plot or two from away from here. Even if you don't know, somebody must have let you know something, that there's something going on here. Because how comes the sub-county commander who is 2 weeks old has genuine information, actionable intelligence, which produces these results? You are born and brought up here, you work here, and you don't know. Do you want to believe that?
Hĩndĩ ya mũngũrũri ũyũ Bare oigĩte nĩ manyitire kiriti 13 cia Njohi muthemba wa Diamond na 23 cia Santa King.
This is a mini brewery. It is the house of Mr. Maina Wajen. We have gotten him. According to him, he has sublet the house, but that is something we shall get to the bottom to. And in this brewery today, we have 13 crates of Diamond Ice, which is a counterfeit. We have 23 crates of Santa King Ice. Nothing king about it. It is satanic. With beer. 64 empty crates with empty bottles, ready for packaging the fake beer.
Bare nĩ acokeirie ngatho maabitha a borithi kuma Nyeri arĩa mataninĩte mweri ũmwe kuma matũmwo gũkũ. O nĩ thutha wa munini wa president Rigathi Gachagua kuga no nginyagia arĩa marathondeka njohi ici moerwo makinya mahiũ ma kĩwatho.
20 liters of ethanol mixed with water and a whole ream of KRA stamp, which we are in the process of confirming whether they are fake or not, and 7 bags of assorted bottle tops.
Kamanda wa borithi kaunti-ini ya Nyeri Wilson Makilab akĩũria mũingĩ gũteithĩrĩria maabitha a borithi kũhithũria andũ arĩa marathondeka njohi ici o ũndũ ũmwe na wendia wa ndawa cia kũrebia.
Ready to arrest and we are ready to follow up all matters reported. Again, I want to thank our team of multi-agency for the coordination and for the prompt action.
Arĩa mathondekaga njohi ĩno ĩrĩa ĩrerĩkana yendagio taũni-inĩ ya Nyeri nĩ metharire na nĩ marethanwo nao nĩ maabitha a borithi.
And expect more. These are just a start of the operation. We still have more to come. We have so many leads. We expect some more arrest.
Ngĩribotera Kameme TV, njĩta Gĩtaũ wa Wanjikũ.